Welcome to AMABestChoice.com. In this video, we've handpicked the top 5 best rowing machines available on Amazon to help you kickstart your fitness journey or upgrade your home gym. From compact designs to cutting-edge features, we've got the lowdown on the rowers that stand out from the rest.
Number 1.
The XTERRA Fitness ERG200 Folding Rower is a stellar choice for anyone seeking a top-notch rowing machine. Its standout feature lies in its impeccable design. Boasting a compact frame that effortlessly folds away for convenient storage or transport. The combination of durable dual-extruded aluminum seat slide rails mounted on a sturdy steel frame ensures both resilience and stability during workouts. The 3.7 LCD monitor offers clear visibility and comprehensive tracking, displaying essential metrics like elapsed time, stroke count, calories, total count, and a helpful scan feature. With 8 levels of magnetic resistance easily accessible via a dial knob, users can personalize their workout intensity. What truly sets this rower apart is its friction-free magnetic resistance system, delivering a seamless, quiet, and maintenance-free operation that enhances the overall exercise experience. Overall, the XTERRA Fitness ERG200 Folding Rower excels in performance, durability, and user-friendly features, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient rowing machine.
Number 2.
The Stamina Conversion 2 Rower is a game-changer in the realm of home gym equipment. Offering the best of both worlds, it seamlessly transitions between a full-motion bike and a rowing machine, ensuring an effective total body workout while keeping impact low and rewards high. What sets this machine apart is its versatility. It's not just an exercise bike, but a recumbent bike with a comfortable padded seat and backrest, textured pedals, and pulse sensors for a smooth cycling experience. Switching to rowing mode is effortless, thanks to padded handlebars, pivoting footplates, and an adjustable, cushioned seat and backrest. With 8 levels of magnetic resistance, it's customizable for varied training needs, maintaining a smooth, quiet operation throughout. The integration with the MAV app elevates the experience, offering smart coaching, personalized workouts, and exercise demos, making the Stamina Conversion 2 Rower a top-notch choice for a comprehensive and connected fitness journey at home.
Number 3.
The Body Solid Endurance R300 Rower offers an exceptional combination of versatility, performance, and convenience, making it the go-to choice for fitness enthusiasts. Its thoughtful design allows for effortless storage as it easily separates into multiple pieces, perfect for those with limited space. The comprehensive display features provide valuable workout metrics, including time, stroke, heart rate, with a wireless heart rate strap, calories, paddle width, stroke rate, distance, cycle, and watts, ensuring users can track and optimize their performance. With a weight capacity tested up to 330 pounds, this rowing machine caters to a wide range of users. Its versatility shines through by targeting various muscle groups, making it an ideal option for quadriceps, hamstrings, abdominals, obliques, lats, biceps, triceps, and hip flexor exercises. Boasting dimensions of 95 by 24 by 40 inches, LXWXH, the Body Solid Endurance R300 Rower combines functionality with space efficiency, making it the ultimate choice for a holistic and effective workout experience.
Number 4.
The Marcy Foldable 8-level rowing machine stands out as an exceptional workout companion, offering a comprehensive range of features that cater to both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts. Its 8 preset magnetic resistance levels provide a customizable experience, ensuring suitability for various workout intensities. Whether you aim for a casual cardio session or a high-intensity rowing routine, this machine delivers. The ergonomic design, with slip-resistant pedals and customizable foot straps, ensures safety and comfort for users of all sizes. The foam-covered handles and contoured seat pad enhance the overall comfort throughout your workout. The multi-angle monitor is a valuable addition, providing clear and essential workout data. The compact and foldable design, equipped with a quick-release pin and transport wheels, allows for effortless storage and portability, making it an ideal choice for home gyms where space is a consideration. Overall, the Marcy rowing machine excels in functionality, comfort, and versatility, making it a top choice for anyone seeking an effective, convenient, and space-saving rowing solution.
Number 5.
The XTERRA Fitness Water Rowing Machine stands out as an unparalleled choice in the realm of rowing machines. Its comprehensive design and features make it a top-tier option for fitness enthusiasts seeking an effective full-body workout. With over 15 pre-programmed workouts and 6 levels of resistance, it ensures a dynamic and tailored training experience for users at any fitness level. The 45-degree angled water tank and 16-blade impeller simulate a realistic rowing sensation, delivering a soothing yet challenging exercise environment within the confines of your home. The machine's thoughtful construction, including padded handles and flex footplates, prioritizes comfort without compromising on performance, enabling users to push their limits comfortably. Engineered with heavy-duty aluminum rails, it ensures durability and can withstand intense training sessions, making the XTERRA Fitness Water Rowing Machine a premier choice for those aiming to achieve optimal fitness results with a reliable and immersive rowing experience.